We're filming a POV video today of what it's like when you're building a boat and you go to Seavee to check out your boat. So, first part, you have to see this guy. So we're walking in here to the Seavee Factory to see what's going on. There's boats everywhere. Business is booming, clearly. Oh, we got a console.
First, they're putting the cowling.
Yeah, wow. Last time we were here, they were black.
When we paint them, you have to undress them completely.
It looks so much better already.
There's no orange peel on them.
Oh, I'm looking at it. Look at that. There's no orange peel. Oh, that's good. That's sick.
Good, doesn't it? The chaps are back from paint.
Yep.
Got rigging going on still. Obviously, that's moving on nicely.
How's she feel? Looking back there. Let me see. Oh, I'm imagining us pulling into Bimini right now. Is this a new lounger?
Yeah.
Right? It is a little different.
For the 42, so
yeah, this is double the size of the core we had before. Yeah. Pretty crazy, Eddie. With the rub rail.
They're moving that in. That'll be on next time you see the.
Oh, what's it look like? Heel.
Put the tube yet, right?
Yep. No tube yet. Hoses down there. Yep.
Fresh law.
Gemlux cup holders there. People don't understand, like, when you're on a boat fishing, having 4 cup holders right here, it's just nice to be able to put stuff in there. You can put your phone in there and not have to worry about it popping out. It's nice to have the area. And then you got this whole area here. We're gonna do a little bit of the sea deck there.
Right.
Cover that up. That way you can throw your phone there.
Right. And that we put some here.
Yep. Put it there. Those screens are sick. You have all your vessel view here. Like if you're over in the Bahamas running around looking for tuna or whatever, you put your radar on here, put your charts here.
You can literally do this.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the size of most people's.
Right. And if not, you just do this.
Yeah. Well, I think this is the secret, right? Because a lot of times you end up having to put your engines on there and then you only have one.
Correct.
Where this is like, you have your engines here, you know exactly what your fuel is, you know everything's showing up there when you're running around.
Ray Marine's compatible with Seymour.
Oh yeah, baby, we're gonna use it all.
Look how nice rod holders look in there.
Weird feeling now that it's like in here. Before it was just like, yeah, now it's like, oh, okay.
I can't wait for the second row.
Yeah, the second row. I just keep looking at Instagram and like other boats, trying to like figure out like how our boat's gonna look, but it's like,
it's gonna look different.
It's different, I know.
We haven't done this at all.
I told you, Eddie. Eddie didn't believe me. I was trying to think about like up front here, kind of maybe doing some logos on the inside, because a lot of times when we're fishing, you see the inside, so maybe we'll do a wrap with like a logo there, logo over there, and then do like vinyl wrap like here for like do Ray Marine there, do something over there, you know, Liquidated. Talking to the guys at Yacht Armor just makes it easier. You don't have to worry about waxing it. Keeps it looking brand new. If something does get scratched or you just peel it off. I'm gonna wrap the boat and then do the PPF over the wrap. That way when the sailfish are banging against the side of the boat, they love to come right at the boat and slam into it. What the fuck? The second row is like here.
Right here, right?
Yeah.
Your gyro will be under here.
Yep.
Rocket launcher goes there.
Yep.
And then you got your live wells here. So you're gonna have from like here back as you come.
Yeah. Plenty of room. Gonna be epic. You got a lot of room in there. That's pretty nice because they can put like pretty much put all your bullshit like in the middle, like life jackets, and then still have room on the outsides to put extra storage for balloons and random shit.
Remember, you
put the life jackets in there?
Yeah. You can put, of the regular style ones, you can put 9 in here.
Really?
Of the offshore ones, you can put 6 per side.
Yeah. It's a lot of room in there. 2 water fills, right?
Right, you got 102 gallons of fresh water.
Woo, woo, woo. What's this?
Freshwater shower.
Freshwater shower.
Rinse the kites.
Yeah, sick. Well, other little goodies are hidden.
Yeah, those are the best. When the kites don't get the salt water, you hook.
Never happens to us, sir. We just lose them. Our favorite is when I just see the kite flying away. I'm like, hey guys, I think we lost the kite.
150 bucks.
Yeah, there it goes. It's gone. All right, so that is the 42 that we just saw there. We're gonna move over here now and look at the 32. Like a kid in a candy shop here.
Your one-off.
She's gray, first ever. Yeah. Designed specifically for Liquidated. They did it.
This is your gyro box.
This goes, yeah, on the back of that.
Right.
This will basically be our seat.
Correct.
Yep.
Yeah, that's your seat right there. See it? So we hinged it. You see we did it with the hinge?
Yep. So that way you can get in there.
Correct. And then this whole module comes out to act to repair, do anything.
Yep. This is pretty much the color though, right?
Very similar color.
Yeah.
That's exactly it.
Yeah. We did white piping. White piping, right?
Right.
Sick. So you can see the 32 here, how, I wouldn't say small, but just how much bigger the 42 is.
It's a big difference. Once they get this in, the motors come in.
Yeah.
We put in the ladder in. Fitting the ladder and everything's done. Now once the cap goes in, motor rigging, console, hard top, once this is done, this will move really quick. You can have a lot of fun with a little boat too though.
Our bait boat is some people's dream boat.
Rainbow, I know.
You gotta keep that in perspective. And then look at that.
That is pretty. There, that one gets sandwiched here.
Yeah, slides in there.
This is pretty.
Shit.
I know. Look
I
how,
think it's beefy.
look at this stuff. Look how pretty that is.
What's crazy is, think about how much like bigger this is to like get in there, you know? Yeah. Compared to the 39 where you had to like jungle gym into it, you know? You can just see from like, these steps here alone are like double the size from what we had before. And this is a 32. Very nice, very nice. And then that's our actually tower of the 42, or the bottom part. What's crazy is like thinking about how much like longer, because remember the 39, you're just like kind of like comes down. Or this with the double row seating, you're really like, you got a lot more coverage there.
Yeah.
That T-top's way bigger. What does our T-top look like?
It's next door. They're finishing it. Let's walk next door.
Yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
This is your
32?
For your console.
Oh, for the 42, yeah.
For 32. The front sliding.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. There it is, yeah. 3171.
Remember, this is also a one-off hard top.
Custom built, because normally on the 42 you have it.
Let's look at the.
Yeah, because you got to get the tower. Everything's got to be custom built. Sorry to make it so difficult, you know. We couldn't just do it, you know, factory. It had to be, oh, we need this done. We need to do it this way. Well, that's been the nice thing about working with you, Eddie, too, and working with Seavee is the fact that we are able to do. You guys aren't just like, oh no, this is all we can do. There's no other options. I gave you a problem. You gave me an answer.
That's your gap.
Yep.
And it goes to finishing from here.
Yep.
Just a couple more coats goes to finishing. So this is it.
Even that is big.
It's a big gap.
Yeah.
And you see how it folds right.
Yeah, because this is basically the front. This is the back.
Yeah.
So you're really, I mean, you're standing.
Probably right here. Yeah, like right around. Yeah, right here.
Yeah. So just even the width alone. Me and Danny can go up in the top together now. Every once in a while, I might just turn the seat keeper off so he remembers what it's like, you know? Woo!
Yeah, let me check.
Watch Netflix on that thing.
He said he just finished. The only thing he needs to do is for them to move it to the floor. All right, 'cause last time you didn't see, I think this was missing, that was missing.
Yeah, we didn't even have a screen yet.
So when he was putting your donut in,
Yeah.
these donuts come in black or white. He had it painted.
Oh, give that guy a raise.
Yeah.
Give that guy a raise. Muchas gracias. Muy bien, muy bien. Very good.
He says he rigged the console.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told him more money, more money. We're back.
What else are we doing?
Yeah, just all the bolsters.
Yes, I have everything.
Yeah, all that there. I was just trying to figure out like different patterns. Yeah, there you go. That's it.
Oh, that's it. Can you send me that one?
White Mohawk. We don't want to do any raised stickers, so everything is flat because we're gonna PPF over the motors too.
All right, 32 gray, 42
Yeah.
white. Now, as you notice, every week is gonna, till it goes to the very end,
I'm
a lot
like,
moves.
no, it looks sick. Seeing the
Nah,
console
trust
on
me,
there, like
I drive these guys crazy,
Yeah.
trust me.
it's ripping.